The company is 45 years old. It was established on the south coast near Southampton, and our markets are defence and commercial sector. We major in data centres and IT infrastructure for the Army as well as civilian applications. And we export all over the world. We've done Kennedy Space Centre, House of Parliament here, and Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Saudi Arabia. So we do a lot of exports. We've taken the technology that we use for all these activities and we've started to introduce them into the drone sector. So here today we have a number of our drones. They're developed and designed in the UK by our own team.
I'm the Defence Advisor here at Cannon+Dynamics. My role is to understand how the development of the remote piloted air systems that you see behind me, what applications we have in the military space and how we then go and build platforms and the equipment that goes with the platforms, the ecosystem, in order for us to address a number of challenges.
So my job is to fly the various different aircraft and to assess their flying capabilities. We have a range of UAVs that can carry various payloads and do various different endurances, fly for different distances. But if we have a customer that needs a special requirement, we're very flexible and we're very agile, and we can build new aircraft to cover that requirement very quickly.
I am Head of Systems at Cannon+Dynamics, and my job is to integrate all of the electrical and electronic systems with the payloads and with the aircraft itself. So that's integrating the radio control system, which is the primary control system, the autopilots, and again, that's a customer choice as to what level and complexity of autopilot we use on the system, and the payloads. So that could be gimbal camera systems of pretty much any type, geophysical sensor systems, LiDAR sensor systems, radar, any package that the client wishes to fly on the aircraft. Basically, my role is to integrate it to suit the customer's needs.
The military require intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, something we know as ISR. And what ISR allows the military to do is understand where an adversary is. And that requires quite a high fidelity electro-optic system. And the unique twin-wing designs of the Cannon+Dynamics aircraft with the lift that they create allow us to pack a really decent quality sensor onto our aircraft.
So we see the drone market expanding really quickly now. For years it's been rather slow, but now the technology is there for the market to be serviced in all sectors, whether it's logistics, police, Coast Guard, military. It applies now to really every area of commerce and defence. And the authorities are starting to get to grips with regulations which allow these drones to fly. So I see the market becoming very big, and we're proud to have a British offering of multi-capability, and I think we can export and do a lot of business.